Inside measurements can be awkward with tape measures or rigid rules, but the modular bar gauge expands to give you an exact reference for any inside dimension. By threading together the bar sections, you can use the modular bar gauge on projects as small as 8¼ inches all the way up to 96 5/8 inches. To add even more versatility, we've designed 4 different tips to simplify different measuring challenges. Use the blunt tips for measuring the space between 2 flat planes, like cabinet sides. Use the pin tips to reach down inside grooves. They're perfect for sizing your drawer bottoms. The arrow-shaped tips make checking diagonals simple and accurate. And the mushroom tips change the inside measuring tool into an outside measuring tool. Now, switch from the mushroom tips to the blunt end tips and set up your table or miter saw with an exact physical reference of the dimension you need. You can also get the modular bar gauge system with a pair of trammel heads. Lock the trammel heads anywhere along the bar. Place the carbide tip scribe at the center of your arc. Engage either a pencil or the second carbide tipped scribe and draw perfect large arcs, up to 16 feet in diameter. The modular bar gauge system is available in 2 sets. Both include all 4 tip sets, 2 end bars, 6 12-inch extension bars, 2 6-inch long extension bars, and 2 precision machined sliding bodies. The larger set also includes the pair of trammel heads. Your modular bar gauge system comes neatly protected in a custom fit molded case. Or you can get it in a sustainer that will stack and lock with your other Woodpeckers and Festool systems. The modular bar gauge system is precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in the USA.